Welcome back. This is part 2 of the FC-6 kind of open box, check it out, see what it's all about kind of thing. I'd like to make a correction from my last video from part 1. So as I didn't have it hooked up to the FM3, I wasn't aware that you didn't need a power supply unless you go to daisy chain. So for instance, just the XLR cable is enough from the FM3 to power the FC-6. Now, if you were to put an additional FC-6 or an FC-12 on there, you would need a power supply for the third unit. So, just to clarify anyway. So, let's power this baby up. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the steps and how to set up the OMG9. I'm going to go through the steps as far as what you need to do to set it up. Step 1 is you go to setup. And basically, it's right here. You're going to hit this button. There's your setup. Then you go to foot controllers. So you hit enter. Now you're going to navigate over to, or I'm sorry, you hit the page over to devices. So once you're there, you want the startup layout for the FM3 to be set to 8. So we're going to page over to layouts. So your FM3, your current layout, is set to, your startup layout, it's already been set to 8. Okay? So we can navigate over. And all you do is turn the dial to do it. So as you can see, there's 6, 7, 8. So we're going to leave it at 8, and then we're going to exit. So step 2 is you go back into setup on the FM3, and we go to controllers. So we hit enter. You can also hit enter down here, but I didn't do that. And we're going to change our bank size. So we go to configuration, right? So we're going to hit page, 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 page. There it is, configuration, right? Right there. So on the configuration, you're going to set your bank size to 6. So we're going to scroll down. Oh, there it is, bank size 6. So again, once you're on it, you can use your dial to go 5 or 6 or 4 or whatever. So then we just want to ensure that compatibility mode is disabled. So you just, if yours was enabled, you'd just come here and then you'd nav one way or the other on that. So an optional thing is you could disable your FC Master layout switch combo. Now, because it's optional, I'm not going to do it. So now we'll just exit. And we're going to, we launched our FM3 edit. Okay, so we go to FC controllers, which is right here. Now, we're going to go to layouts. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go import all layouts. Now, I've already done this, so I'm probably not going to go through the whole thing again, but so here you'd hit OK. Now, keep in mind that zip file that you had to download, the OMG9 FC layout, you want to put the unzipped version of that on your desktop. You just pull it up from your desktop and then you load it. It'll take a little while to load, and then you just reboot the system and you're up and running. So it seems to be, to me, to be the easiest. Okay, so once this is all done, you'll see you've got presets. Now if you hold this, it'll go to your tuner. Okay? You click that back, it goes to your stuff. Now here's your scenes, which is all controllable from here. Here's your scenes that are available, right? Your detuned, these are all correct as far as this is. So then you want to go to your effects. Now you can click your effects on and off. You can go to more, it'll load the rest of them. But now you can click these on and off, which is kind of nice. And you go back. So say you just want to set up your next 3 presets. Now you're here. So basically, here's the one we're in. That would be the next one, and that would be the next one up. So it's not overly complicated once you do this OMG9 procedure. The beauty of it is, if that is too simple for you, for me, I gotta say, that's what I'm gonna use, because I just I don't want it any more complicated than it needs to be when I'm playing the guitar and hitting stuff with my feet. So that being said, you know, this works really well. Also, there's such depth of editing in here. You can assign multiple things to each foot switch if you wanted to. Now, I haven't gone that in depth into it yet, That's why I'm not going to cover that at this point in time. Say you don't like what this OMG9 thing, you can always undo it as well. So it's not like you do it and that's it, you're locked into that forever. You can do whatever you want. I have to say, what an excellent addition to the FM3. This FC-6 is really nice. Obviously, it gives you more things you can assign at a glance as well. The style of this reminds me of the Helix as far as the stuff being laid out in here. Very, very nice, especially when it's dark. You want to be able to see what you're clicking on. Anyway, that's it for this one. Again, I give it a double thumbs up. I guess we'll have to come up with some kind of rating system. Haven't done it yet. But anyway, if you have any ideas, feel free to throw them out there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed everything. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.